Hi friends, today we are going to check how market has moved. So first we are going for pre-open market. In the pre-open market we could see that Nifty was 29 points gap up. Because yesterday we saw there's a mismatch in Bank Nifty and Nifty CEP change, so that's why the gap up is there, with 38 stocks advancing and 4 stocks declining. The open is 19627, so the closest strike will be 19600. And for Bank Nifty, it was 51 points gap up with 9 stocks advancing and 1 bank declining. The open is 44,888.95, so the closest strike price will be 45,900 for straddle. Okay, so let's move to the trading view. So today what happened is Nifty closed with a negative minus 26.45 points, which is downwards, and Bank Nifty is closed with the positive 126 points, that is in upward direction. So you could see there's a mismatch in Nifty and Bank Nifty because of the CPE change, which we saw on the Trading Tech website. The India VIX is 11, which is very like low. At least the minimum value of India VIX should be above 18 for market to move very well. Okay, so let's check the resistance and support for Nifty. So I'm using 15 minutes time frame here. You could see that clearly 19,600 was a good resistance and 500 is a good support, though the market took support 2 times at 550 itself. And you could see nice big candles, volume candles occurred at the end, so there is a good chance for gap up opening tomorrow in this Nifty's perspective. Let's check for Bank Nifty. From Bank Nifty we are using 15 minutes time frame, and it's a purely sideways market for the Bank Nifty, so we are using again 15 minutes time frame. The support was at 45,100, you could see, and sorry, the resistance was 45,100 and the support was 880, so we can say we can take it as 900 because it's a little bit closer to that. And also here the volume spikes at the end was very good, so tomorrow gap up is expected. So let's see what happens. So we'll check the second confirmation as well in PECE change, so that we can confirm the gap up opening or not. Okay, so that's it for trading view. We will go for the second confirmation of our Trading Tech website. In Trading Tech website we will be checking three categories, that is trending OI, straddle, how straddle performed, and call put ratios. Okay, so first one will go for trending OI. The trending OI for Nifty was, you could see, CE, 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 CE. So it was a bit of downward side market. It ended in negative, so because all the 5 strikes are CE, it normally ended in negative with, there you go, the first one is 600 CE, so market never crossed 600 CE, which has the highest OI. And next we'll go to the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty had PE, CE, PE, PE, PE. So there is 4 PEs and 1 CE. So clearly the Bank Nifty closed with a positive sign. So you could see as the top is 45,000 PE. So market closed in this range. And then we'll also check Fin Nifty as well, because Fin Nifty we had a expiry today. So there was a good chance of profit booking at the end. So tomorrow gap up is possible with the 2000 CE being on top. So market never crossed 2000 CE. And you check Fin Nifty. So let's move to the next one, that is call versus put OI. For Nifty, we are not going to change the start and the end range, as you could see that the call and the put, the ratios are almost similar. So maybe tomorrow, if it is going to be gap down, then I don't know. But Bank Nifty has shown a green signal, so maybe there might be some gap up. Okay, so the price action is seen here where you could see that the see in PE the green line and the red line was very close to each other. That's why the market didn't move very well and it was pure sideways. For Fin Nifty, sorry, we're checking for Fin Nifty and now we are going to Nifty. We won't change the right. Okay, so we are having the call ratio higher than the put ratio, which clearly shows why Nifty has moved downward direction because the green line CE was above the red line. So that's why the downward movement. So the previously we saw Fin Nifty, since it was the expiry, the call and put ratios were equal in Fin Nifty. Now comes the game changer, the Bank Nifty. You could see how the put ratio is more than the call ratio. So tomorrow there is a better chance for gap up because Bank Nifty plays a crucial role in gap up and gap down status. You could see that the red line was above the green line, so the market was clearly moving upward and Bank Nifty gave a green close, so this is the reason. Now we'll check out the strategy straddle. Let me just take straddle snapshot so that you can get a better idea. So here it reads as straddle prices of strikes close to ATM, so we are taking for Bank Nifty because Bank Nifty gives very good performance in regards to straddle than Nifty or Fin Nifty. So here first one is, sorry, I'll just unclick all this. So first one is 45,100. You could see it started at 510 and a nice decay. It reached 420. So whatever the price difference is seller's profit. And next we will see 45,000 and we'll remove this one. This showed a nice decay. It started at 520 and ended up less than 400, which was like more decay than 100, 4500. Now we'll check 44,900. So you could see it started with 450 and then it just went up, which is, you could see here the loss you could see, but then again the decay came into play and then it ended up with 380 points. Now we will see 44,800, which was a clear downward decay. So 520 it started and then it ended up with 380 points or something. And then next we are going to see 44,700. So here also it started with 461 and then it went to the negative 551 and then the decay played and it ended up 415. So you could see the price is near ATM. I just clicked everything had a decay. You could see nice downward movement. So straddle in these steps will give you profit. As you could see, ATM was morning, the open was 44,900, the yellow line. So the moment market opens, when you take straddle for 44,900, you would have gained a nice profit. That's the yellow line. So whenever you take straddle, you go 200 points downwards, that is 44,700, 44,800, or you can go above 200 points above, that is 45,000 and 4,500, which is 200 points above the ATM or the open, which can give you a nice decay. And the decay is pretty much good when the market is sideways, like today's market, when Nifty and Bank Nifty both were sideways, and it was a very nice thing for sellers. Now we'll go for stocks, that is EOD. So everything we are going to check in NSE website because NSE website is really reliable. And the positive close was 3.9, 3.9 and 3.6, and the stocks are SBI Life, Hero Motocorp and Shipla. If tomorrow market opens gap up and if market rallies in the upward direction, you could invest in these three stocks to see nice profits. Now I'll check for the negative stocks, which is minus 2.8, minus 2.1, minus 1.7. That is Adani Entertainment, Hindalco, and M&M. So these three stocks were moving downward side today with to somewhere between ranging from 1% to 2% if tomorrow market opens gap down, and if market moves downward direction, and there is a good chance that you can make profit with these three stocks in the downward direction. That's it, guys. Stay tuned to my channel for more nifty and bank nifty updates. Thank you.